During British winters, you should always wear a vest. It doesn't really matter if you don't look your best. With Caribbean conditions, we have not been blessed. During British winters, you should always wear a vest. During British winters, you should always wear a vest. Even though your girlfriend won't be overly impressed, do not remove your thermal underwear at her request. During British winters, you should always wear a